The Computer Science and Software Engineering Department is revamping our curriculum to better prepare students for their careers. This new program is going to have 2 tracks, so students will choose if they want to focus on a career in industry, so being a developer and programming, or if they want to focus more on research, the theory behind computer science, and maybe help build that next new cool algorithm. So students will be able to pick this path a little bit later into their career. They don't have to come in knowing the answer about what they want to do. We're going to help them get there.
Students could choose to specialize in software engineering, artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity. Where we are going to be unique is we are going to help students start thinking about what they want to do with their degree in computer science. Do you see yourself inventing the new algorithm? Or do you see yourself taking the algorithms, taking the inventions, and building products that impact a lot of people? That is a distinction that not many other programs in the country have, and I think that's where we will stand out. Most programs define what students get to do during their time. You want to study computer science, this is what you do.
This new 2-track model really lets you help build a program that's right for you.
It gives them well-defined options, and it shows them what is possible when they choose these options and gives them the ability to make a choice that best fits them. We challenge students, we put them in a lot of uncertain situations where they have to think about how to apply the things they have learned. Once you go to industry, it's not canned projects that you might typically see in other schools. Here's a problem. Go solve it. Dealing with that uncertainty takes experience. What our programs and our classes are really good at doing is giving students the chance to deal with uncertainty during their stay at Rose-Hulman and giving them a safe place to experiment and figure out the best possible ways to proceed.
This new curriculum is going to better prepare students because they're going to be able to explore, look at different subfields, and find what gives them passion.
Students should choose to study computer science at Rose-Hulman for the wide variety of experiences and the interactions they're going to have with some of the field's experts. Students are going to be well-grounded in fundamentals, a lot of hands-on experience that will allow them to hit the ground running in the career of their choice.
It's going to let students explore different aspects of computing and really pick a career that best suits them.